In today's video, I will teach you how to generate sport photography using AI. Let's get started. First, open your web browser, then go to Photoroom. And on the home page, look at the left side panel and click on AI Tools to open the full suite of creative tools powered by AI. Now scroll down to the Create Images with AI section, then click See All to reveal all available AI options. From the list, choose Sport Photography. And here, you'll see a text box where you can enter a prompt for the image that you want to create. And make sure to be very specific in your description so the AI can generate accurate results. And if you're unsure what to write, you can explore the prompt inspirations provided on the page. And now we're going to choose the size format. To do this, click on the size settings to pick your desired layout. Square 1x1, which is perfect for Instagram or profile posts, 3x4 or 9x16 portrait, which is great for posters, 4x3 or 16x9 landscape, which is ideal for banners, desktop wallpapers, or presentations. And now we're going to pick a photography style. To do this, click the style settings and browse through the available looks. Here you have professional, cinematic, high contrast, vintage analog, Polaroid, editorial, black and white, film noir, raw flash, or random. And once your prompt, size, and style are selected, click the Generate button, and the AI will process your request and create 4 unique sport photography images. And you can click on any of them to preview in full resolution. And each image comes with post-editing options, like remove background if you want to isolate the subject, generate 4 more variations if you want more versions of the style, change something if you want to modify part of the image description, retouch to fix small imperfections or adjust details, and resize to convert to another aspect ratio. An optional step is making specific edits. To adjust details, click Change Something, and you'll be asked to describe exactly what you want to update. And once you're happy, click Use this image, and the image will open in Photoroom's editor where you can add light effects, insert custom text or logos, or make color or exposure adjustments. And when you're done editing, click Download to save your file. And don't forget, you can start a 7-day free trial to unlock HD downloads and advanced features. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.